Hi guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cute and Feisty Be Happy box. We're going to open the Be Happy box together and do a flip through of the sticker book as well as the skinny planner. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Paper Night channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Cute and Feisty Happy Planner Disney Be Happy box. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and today is the 28th, so I got on the 27th. I'm so excited to open this. There are so many cute things. We have the Deluxe Cover Skinny Classic Planner with the metal discs, 20 sheets of the classic folded fill paper, a magnetic dry erase board with marker, pocket cards with envelopes, micro notebooks, pen holder zip pouch, 30 sheets, sticker value pack. Oh, 30 sheets of the sticker value pack. I feel like I did the same mistake when I opened the Be Happy box, the Snoopy Be Happy box. And a classic bookmark. So I already opened this in an ASMR unboxing that I did. Psst, psst, psst. So check that one out. Look how cute this packaging is. I feel like they never miss. Cute, and I will definitely be using this for a spread. All right. So I think this is like the opening card. I already took out all the plastics and stuff, so yes, love is in the air. The Happy Planner's Disney Stitch Cute and Feisty Be Happy box will have you falling in love, featuring your favorite love-struck pair, Stitch and Angel. Inside you'll find goodies of all sorts and make planning and organizing fun and enjoyable. How cute is this? I don't know what to do with these things, but they're so cute. Maybe I'll put them in a planner or something. You can see I already did damage on the whiteboard, and it's magnetic, so I'm wondering if I can put this somewhere at work. I definitely don't have anything in my room that I could put this on, but super cute. Let me erase this too. Could be really good for like quick notes and then not wasting paper. So I might leave this on my desk at work actually, since I go through notepads like a crazy person. Now we have the zip pouch. Very cute. This can go right on the planner or any planner you have. Can't tell if this is good for the big planners, but you can fit a few pens in here, maybe an eraser. You put your pen in here too, of course. So cute. Then we have these little notebooks, which I love. They're so cute. This one has like Stitch on the back. You can see it. Cute, right? I wonder if they have like, it would be so cute to like make this like a keychain to hang off your bag for like quick notes. I don't know how practical that would be, but look at this one too. Oh, so cute. And this one has Angel on the back. I'm not going to take off that since I won't be using it. It also came with these cards. These were the back. I think they're like little, I don't know what you could use these for. I did see that people, or on the website, they said you could use it for like scrapbooking or whatever. So yeah, this is cute. Like, I really don't know what I'd be using these for, but I'm sure someone will have a use for these, and I will be taking notes. Now, this is what I really liked. They gave us 30 sheets of these folded paper, which it has like a checklist here, and on the back, it's like a gridded dotted paper, and then when you open it, you have a full page. Yeah, I feel like this could really complement the Skinny Classic that they gave us, or Skinny Horizontal. Well, I just know it's the Skinny Planner, and I do have an idea that I want to use that Skinny Planner for, so perfect. Of course, they gave us this really cute bookmark that does complement the Skinny Planner, and while we're here, why don't we do a flip through of the stickers? Oh my god, these are so pretty. Do what makes your heart shine. I like how they have the vertical boxes as well. Since I don't think the Skinny Classic has vertical stuff like that, but I really like this. Yeah, these, oh, hollow. Very nice. I don't have too many of those hollow stickers. And I like that they give us like some regular boxes. I feel like a lot of the other sticker books, they always come with these crazy designs, but when it comes to like regular boxes, we don't get too much, but I love these. Look at this. So pretty. This is a big sticker book. These are cute, cute. I will definitely be doing a lot of Stitch and Angel spreads since they give us so many stickers. I love it. I love these. Today's task. Nice. Reminders, meeting. I love this font. Oh my god. That's the font I use for like one of my old channels. These are the stickers with the translucent background. I love it. Angel is so cute. Oh my god, how cute is that? I kind of want to put that on my laptop. Angel. Stitch. So cute. Weird but cute. Ooh, these are cute too. They're holographic with the transparent background. I love it. More reminders. Really big ones. Some stars. I like the stars. Oh, and they gave us a pair of shiny, silver shiny ones. And that's it for the sticker book. Really like it. It's a really good sticker book. Well done. And last but not least, we have the planner. So I'm gonna remove this so that we can get a closer look without crinkling all of this paper. But look how cute this is. They give us, it's undated, so they give us the stickers for the tabs. And I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna be immediately using this next month. We have month of blah, 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 the goals sheet, other things, and then they have like things for each day, I guess, for important dates in lieu of like the calendar, I guess. And then we have week of and the days. So what I'm going to use this planner is for budgeting. Since I just bought a new car, so my insurance went up. I have car payments again, unfortunately. So I really want to keep track of my spending so that I can start paying off some of my things. And I have a really bad Uber habit. So at least I want to hold myself accountable, see what I'm spending each day so that by the end of the month, I can use one of these awesome sheets and do like whatever notes, like a little month wrap up, and it fits perfectly into the planner. And I can say what I did successfully, what I didn't, and maybe goals for the next month. So I can see each month is basically just going back and forth between Stitch and Angel. It's just cute. I really, really like these. They're so cute. Shine Angel Bright. This is nice. Be brave, be bold, be you. Oh, I love this. Oh man, this is such a cute. Oh, and then here's the reminder. Y'all, don't forget to order your Happy Planner stuff. Super Sweet 16. And stay stitched true. Yeah, it does just alternate between Stitch and Angel for like the in planner graphics, which is pretty cute. And of course, the cover is that, I think it's the vegan leather, but same as like the Snoopy, it's really good quality, you can tell. And I didn't even know you could print like these hollow stuff onto the cover. It's so nice. And the metal disc, of course, with the pink heart. Yeah, I love it. So that's going to wrap up the unboxing for the Cute and Feisty Stitch Disney Be Happy box, blah, blah, blah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big like and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you next time with our regular scheduled content.